Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and today we'll discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from insiderfinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Register, open a new account, deposit, and claim 6 to 12 free stocks. And speaking of reports, 2 of our reports from the past week have become big winners for our subscribers. LRHC from Friday the 17th opened at $1.15 on that day and hit $2.81 today for potential gains of 144%. SVRE from last Monday opened on Monday at 36 cents and hit 53.98 today for potential gains of 50%. Congrats to all subscribers who banked. We have a new report out tonight for subscribers on a low float NYSE American biotech trading just above $1. The float is just 8.73 million according to Finviz. This stock also trades at 52-week lows and has established a potential bottom. To get our full report, click that link in the description, go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, we are bullish here at Insider Financial, and we think the small cap rally we are in will continue into New Year. Just look at today's runners. First up is RDHL, was up 216%. The FDA granted 5 years market exclusivity for Talicia under the Generating Antibiotic Incentives Now Act qualified infectious disease product designation, RDHL said in a statement. The grant in on top of the 3 years exclusivity, which came with the approval of Talicia. Talicia is indicated for the treatment of an infection in adults, which is a common type of bacterial infection that attacks the lining in the stomach. Talicia is protected by its broad intellectual property suite to 2034, the company added. BDRX was up 83%. The company announced an agreement to obtain an exclusive worldwide license to Telamidone, a phase 2 ready candidate for type 1 diabetes. The company said that the deal allows its exclusive worldwide sub-licensable license from Melior Pharmaceuticals to develop, manufacture, and commercialize Telamidone in partnership with Adara Therapeutics. Per the terms, Adara and certain debt holders of the company are set to receive upfront and milestone payments from Biodexa in the form of cash and American Depository shares, respectively. The deal, which is expected to close within this quarter, also requires Biodexa to pay single-digit tiered royalties on net sales. Melior and its partner Bukwang Pharmaceutical will also receive ADS, American Depository shares, from the company. Pfizer, the original inventor of Telamidone, advanced the candidate through phase 2 development for gastric ulcers before discontinuing it due to a lack of efficacy. However, citing strong preclinical data, Biodexa said it plans to develop Telamidone as a treatment for type 1 diabetes. Next up is DRCT. This one has just been on absolute fire, just a 2.88 million share float. Look at the gains. I mean, year to date up 419%. And all these gains have come in the past month, up 411%. The company's been putting out a lot of press releases, a lot of news. So again, news catalyst. This is what moves stocks. And look at the increase in sales. From 2019, they had just 6 million in sales to 89 million in 2022. So just absolutely, the stock has just been on absolute gangbusters. Congrats to all banking in DRCT. So right now, what's happening right now, and where the focus is here at Insider Financial is on low floats and biotech stocks. Biotech stocks are hot right now, and irregardless of what the overall market is doing, biotechs are the pure play. It's all micro. Are they announcing FDA news, trials, funding, stuff like that? That's really what comes down to biotech. It's all about the news for that individual company, so you could ignore the noise of the overall market. So that's why we like biotechs right now. And stocks that I am watching right now, first up is ESGL. Had news after the bell. They announced a multi-year contract renewal with Singapore Refining Company Private Limited. This is very good, big news today. So I think we're going to see some action tomorrow. Stock closed at 89 cents, trading at $1.38 in the after hours. AUGX, a lot of insider buying right at $4. We had one of the directors, they bought $6 million worth at $4. Even the CFO was buying at $4.85. We're at $5.15 right now, trading $4.95 in the after hours. The stock is running into resistance, but we get above this $6 and the stock is going to make a major move. Next up is ARMN. This stock is breaking out here. We had news this today. They announced their increase in their Segovia gold mineral reserves by 75% to 1.3 million ounces, and announced plant expansion to increase production rate. Now, first of all, gold's over 2,000. That is indeed positive. But when it comes to mining stocks, it's all about the players involved, the board of directors. First up is Ian Telfer. He is the independent chairman. He is the former chairman of Gold Corp and former chairman of the World Gold Council. I believe the guy's a billionaire. I mean, this is it doesn't get any better than him. CEO is Neil Woodyear. Daniela Cambone, for those of you that, if you follow her from Kitco, she moved over to Stansberry. I think she's now with another company. She's always interviewing these big players on YouTube. And then the guy that I'm a big fan of is Frank Giustra. He's a strategic advisor. Again, multi-billionaire, Lionsgate, founded a brokerage firm up there. It's slipping my mind. If you remember which one that is, leave a comment below. And then, the guy he donated, I think, $100 million to the Clinton Global Initiative. It just, the credibility of these guys is just extremely high. Colombia is relatively stable, and there's just a lot of things happening down there. So ARMN is a stock that I think you need to put on your radar, and I'll be covering this one more in depth in later videos down the road. Now, guys, a couple of charts that I really like. First up is CDIO. This is a stock I covered earlier this month. Broke out above the 200-day moving average. We're consolidating above here. This one just looks like it's gearing up to really go higher. So I'd be watching this one on a breakout. Play the momentum, guys. It's either going to break out or break down here. So it's flagging right here, so I have this one on watch. SOFI, SOFI, looks to have bottomed here, ran all the way to 1170. This has been covering it all year from the $4.24 double bottom. We put a 445 pivot low here, ran all the way to 1170. We pulled back here to 650, consolidating here. We get above the 15-200-day moving average. I think we're going to go back and test new highs. GSIT perking up here, looks to have bottom. This is one I covered back in May. Past winner, past spiker, ran here from $1.47 all the way to $9.80 before correcting. It looks like they're getting ready to pump it again. Again, guys, when I say pump, a lot of these small caps, almost all of them, pump and dumps. Play the pump, get out before the dump. Don't be a bag holder. Don't fall in love with any of these small cap plays. Best off just trading them, not own them, unless like I said, you got the board of directors, you do your in-depth research, but again, everyone has losers. So again, just because, like I said, in ARMN, things are not everything's going to be in their control. So again, there's always risk when investing in small caps. Next up is CDT. Watching this one, looks to have a rounding bottom, starting to perk up here. Let's see. Volume is very, very light, but again, this one could get going. This is, again, put it on your screen for a momentum play. Lastly is IOBT, again, and this is another one that's breaking out, running past 2 days. Let's see if they can take it and test the 200-day of 179. Get above there, going to make a big move. So certainly put this one on your radar screens. And here at Insider Financial, what we're doing is putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. Our main focus for Tuesday and the rest of the week is our new report on a low float biotech stock on the NYSE American. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.